Good evening. I'm Martha Sagowski. Jim is off tonight. Tonight at 6, what Casey's handwriting is saying about her and just how credible is the inmate who became Casey's jailhouse pen pal. Tonight we do have live team coverage on this story. West 2's Amanda Ober shows us how Casey's handwriting may hold secrets to what really happened to little Kaylee. But first, the latest court papers suggest Casey's secret pen pal may only be trying to get out of prison. So what does that mean for the so-called confession? West 2's Bob Keeling is live on why there may be more doubt than truth in these troubling letters. Good evening, Bob.
Good evening, Martha, and that's absolutely right, because Robyn Adams' motives and her truthfulness, all of this potentially valuable information, all of that could play a part. Guilty to drug charges in federal court and was sentenced to 10 years. The realization of not seeing her children for a decade, Adams said, made her desperate.
Her motives are clear. Her motives are get her sentence reduced under federal law.
In February, the wife of a convicted drug-dealing policeman told an FDLE investigator she had no plans to use her cooperation as a way to get a break on her sentence. In their report, the FDLE agreed, but attorney Richard Hornsby does not.
Robyn Adams is, to me, is about as her motives for keeping these letters, her motives for befriending Casey Anthony is about as believable as Casey Anthony herself.
Adams also told investigators that Casey Anthony broke down the day Kaylee's remains were found, corroborating a secret jail video made the same day of Casey and her reactions. Hornsby says Anthony's words and actions amount to a nonverbal confession.
The biggest mistake in Casey's part is giving such specific details that only the perpetrator of the crime would know.
Adams says Casey told her the child's remains had been left with a baby blanket inside a garbage bag. Investigators say at the time, those details had not been made public. Now, I did check Robyn Adams' court file today down at the U.S. federal court, and so far there is absolutely no request or any sort of sentence reduction. I also reached her friend Tracy Neely by phone today. She told me that she's been advised not to talk about the case. Reporting live from the Orange County Jail, Bob Keeling, West 2 News.